With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Well, hello students, now we're going to see this question. The question says that a 25 centimeter long solenoid has a radius of 2 centimeter and 500 total number of turns. Okay, total number of turns. It carries a current of 5 ampere if it is equivalent to the magnet, okay, of same size and magnetization M, then magnetization M is, okay, we need to find the magnetization M. Okay, so basically we have to use two formulas, that is magnetic moment is equal to N into I into A. What is this NIA? I'll write over here the notations, and basically magnetization is equal to magnetic moment divided by volume. Okay, so basically these are the things that we are going to use, but I am writing here the notations so that you can understand more clearly. Okay, so basically what are the notations over here? Notations are very important. It might as well get you confused. Small m is magnetic moment. Magnetic moment. Got it? Capital M is magnetization. Magnetization. Okay. V is volume. N is number of turns of solenoid. Okay, turns. I is simply current, and A is area. Okay, these are all the notations that I used over here, so don't get confused in any one of them. Okay, this is simply the formula of magnetic moment, and this is simply the formula of magnetization. So we are going to use this formula. So what we're going to get over here, we'll get magnetic moment is equal to NIA. Now we will name it number 1 and name it number 2. Okay, so from 1 and 2, basically what we'll do, basically we are going to put the magnetic moment's value in second equation. From 1 and 2, what we'll have, basically magnetization capital M must be equal to N into I into A divided by volume. Can also be written as, you know, A into L, because A is area, okay, and L is basically length of solenoid. Okay, so I'm writing over here one more notation, that L is length. Okay, area can be means volume can be written as A into L. There is no issue in that. Okay, so simply we will cancel area and area, so area are not required. So what we'll have over here, basically left, we will be having left with Ni by L, N into I by L. Okay, so basically we'll put the values, that is N is number of turns is over here 500. Okay, so we'll put 500 over here. 500 into current passing through it is basically what, 15 amps. So we're gonna put 15 amps over here. 15 divided by L, which is what is the length of the solenoid, 25 centimeters. So we need to convert it into meters. So when we convert it into meters, divided by 25 centimeter into 10 to the power minus 2. Okay, so what we're gonna get on solving we are gonna get 30,000. Okay, so 30,000 is basically which one? Option number B. Okay, so our answer is 30,000, which is option number B. Okay, thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.